my dad my dad is eating a tuna sandwich because he lost bet. So
The Super Bowl bet.
I mean the Super Bowl bet. So
That's what it looks like. It looks nasty.
Yeah.
Roast tuna.
Yep.
I'm not looking forward to this at all.
Yeah, I know. So if you want to see it, then he just smelled it and it smells gross. Of course it does because it's a fish.
All right, here we go.
Just taking his very first bite.
Oh my god.
I love his face. Remember, he has to eat the entire thing,
Oh,
and he doesn't like, and he's not looking forward to this at
that's
all.
freaking nasty. Oh, that's gross. I shouldn't have got heated up. I think that's made it even worse. Oh, it's so gross. Get that fishy taste. I'm never gonna make this bet again. Oh, yeah. I gotta eat the whole thing. Are you sure?
Yep.
How about just part of it? How
No.
about one more bite?
Nope.
How
The
about,
whole
how
thing.
about this? How about if I only have one more bite, then I'll buy you more cookies?
Deal.
Deal? One more bite, then I buy you more cookies?
No.
Huh?
No.
Deal? How about this?
No. Answer is no.
How about if I buy you a Skylander?
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay.
So I don't have to eat it anymore?
Right.
Alright. I can go get a decent sub?
Hmm?
Alright. It's a deal. Shake on. Let's shake
Okay, you can get a decent sub now.
on. Alright. Awesome. Thank you.